everyone, and welcome back to Jazzy61. If you're new here, my name is Jazz. I do everything motherhood, lifestyle, and a little bit of beauty here and there. To my returning subscribers, hello guys, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed this video as I take you guys along with me to get my to-do list done for the day. I typically write out an actual list, you guys. It's just satisfying to me to check that list off once I accomplish something for that day. So right now I'm just going to start in my kitchen. I did go to bed last night without actually doing the dishes. So as you guys know, my little one loves to chip in and help me when I do the dishes. So he's helping me unload right now. I'm going to get the kitchen all cleaned up and put back together before I start my next task for the day. So now I'm going to start in our dining area. This area doesn't typically need a whole lot of work. We usually eat in here every other day or so. So I do try to keep it as cleaned up and as tidy as I can for whenever we do come in there and eat. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually spray with my all-purpose cleaner from Mrs. Meyer's. It's the Scent Rose. You guys know I absolutely love the smell, and it just kind of wafts in the air. I love that. And just wipe everything down. I want to make sure that there's no food, no syrup, no stickiness. I believe last time we ate there was pancakes. So now I'm in our bedroom and I'm going to do a little bit of laundry. You guys, I have this terrible habit of actually leaving stuff in the hamper for a couple of days after it's been washed. This stuff was fresh. So I wanted to go ahead and get it folded as quickly as I could. And I'm going to go and start decluttering. Decluttering for me right now is just getting rid of some things. Because my son, as he gets bigger, he's growing out of stuff so fast, you guys, I can't even wrap my head around it. So there's still some things in his drawer that need to go. I just ordered him some more clothes because he's just grown out of the stuff that I just recently purchased him. So I'm going to go into his drawer especially and get some things out. The things I'm going to declutter for myself are actually in my closet. But after I get through folding clothes, I'm going to go ahead and put them away before starting to declutter his stuff. He's grown out of shoes and everything, you guys. So in this drawer is actually some 24-month stuff. He cannot fit in it at all right now. My 1-year-old can't fit 2-year-old clothes. This is where we are right now, guys. So I'm going in and just decluttering everything that's in that drawer, getting out some of the old stuff and just rearranging the drawer so it's a little bit neater, a little bit more organized, and then I can start to fit the new stuff that's about to start coming in for him. I just want to make sure that we have plenty of space. I'm going to actually store this stuff in some boxes that I have labeled already. They're in another room, and they're going to be packed down either for the next baby or I'm going to give it to a family member or my nephew or something like that. Because these clothes, when I say gently worn, they've been worn like once and he can barely fit them anymore. So I'm going to make sure I get those packed down in a box that is labeled so that whenever someone needs it or it's time for the next baby, we have it. So his drawer is organized. Gray shirts, his shorts, his socks, and then his shoes are up at the top. So here is my little box. There is already some stuff in there from recently that he could not fit. So I'm just going to add this to it. I'm adding in and I'm organizing. I'm not just throwing this in here, guys. Everything is folded together. There's some shoes and some clothes in this box. Okay, guys, so this thing came a little later than it was supposed to. It was actually supposed to get here on Sunday. It's Monday, which is not too bad because everything has kind of been slowed. I don't know what's going on, but it's been, well, I do know what's going on, but it's been slowed. I don't want to speculate, so I'm not going to say what it is. Anywho, as you guys can see, it has like a plastic on top of it. So I'm going to do the same thing I always do. Open it up, put everything on the floor from the inside, like dump it out without touching it. Because as you guys know, I'm very serious about these germs. So I'm going to open this package on up, get everything out, and put this thing together. And it's actually going to go right here some kind of way. I'm not sure how. It's like a little bit bigger than that one over there. So we're going to see how it looks. Everybody, my apologies. I thought it was recording, something happened and it stopped recording, so I didn't get a chance to record me putting the rest of this shelf together. There are some things that I'm a little confused, or not confused on, and I'm not 100% that I like, but I think I can fix those. You can kind of see the inside of, like right here, you can see the inside of the boards, but I can use a staining pen to fix that, so that's not a problem. But overall, I actually like it. It's taller than I thought it would be, you guys, because I thought it was going to be the same height as that other one and the counters, but it's a good size taller. It does match my cabinets pretty well, so I'm liking it so far. I'm going to be putting some different things on it here within the next few days or so. I just want to come back on here and show you guys what it looks like all put together. Let me get level with it. So it is all together now. It does have 9 little compartments, and you can set them up how you like, because just based upon what you want to do, you can put the little prongs in there how you want to put them. So turned out nice. Okay guys, so now we are in my closet. As you can see, it is a mess in here. No, I did not finish unpacking. They have been in that box for 3 months. I didn't really unpack this stuff either because, well, I did, but I didn't. And I'll say what I mean by that. See those trash bags? They were just wrapped around this stuff, and it was just kind of easy to snatch it off. So that's what I did. So now I'm going to get into this closet and hopefully get it organized and cleaned up. Okay guys, so I got it all unpacked. I turned the camera off because I didn't know what the heck I was doing, and I was just standing there looking around for like 30 minutes. So I got it all organized. Start over here. So this area, let me tell you why it's like this. So I'm going to put a vanity or something in here so that I can come in and do my makeup or whatever else I need to do, and have a mirror and everything so I can just get dressed all in one swoop and be done. My shoes are up there. Yes, those 2 boxes are unopened, unworn pairs of shoes. Those are pretty much unworn over there as well. Because I have stuff, I just don't wear it. I don't know why. I don't know. Tomboy. So everything is unpacked. I do intend to put like a shelf or something in here somewhere. Not sure. Probably be a short one, something like this one, but like all the way around maybe. That way I have storage for like my jewelry and things like that, because right now it's just on my dresser and it looks bad. So closet has finally been done, cleaned up, organized, put together. All right, everyone, so that is my day. Just finished my workout. I'm gonna walk up and down this hill a little bit to kind of unwind and go and take a shower, find something to eat, go sleep. Finish my day. So I'm gonna walk for a bit, cool down. It's over. My little one's whining. Don't know why, but he is. So this concludes my day, you guys. Thank you for joining me as I did everything on my to-do list. And I'm gonna sit out here, get some of this cool, fresh air in me. As I said before, shower, eat, sleep. Do it all over tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.